Hey everyone, it's Will from Blur here. For today's video tutorial, we are covering how to create a disposable email address or Blur masked email address on your computer using Blur by Abine. There's actually a couple ways to create a masked email address or disposable email address using Blur by Abine, but in this video, we're covering how to create a Blur masked email address or disposable email address using the Blur desktop browser extension on a third-party website. To learn how to create a Blur masked email address using the Blur web app, check out this other video. To begin, be sure that you have the Blur desktop browser extension installed in your desktop internet browser. To check if you have the extension installed, look for the Blur icon in your desktop internet browser toolbar. Now, as you can see here, I'm reaching the registration page for a new Amazon account. As I go to register and I click into the email form, I'll see a Blur pop-up panel. Simply click New Masked Email Address to have Blur create a new masked email address for you instantly. I'll also allow Blur to create a new strong password for me and autofill that into the password field. Now I've created a brand new Amazon account with that brand new masked email address. You can use this brand new masked email address when you're signing up for any new accounts online, or simply create a brand new masked email address for every new account online. Any mails sent to this new masked email address can be viewed from your Blur temporary inbox. Also, these mails will be forwarded to your target email inbox as well. If this masked email address starts receiving spam, simply turn it off, and Blur will stop forwarding messages from this masked email address. That's all we have time for today. Reach out to us via email at blur-support@getabine.com if you have any questions or if you have any suggestions for our next video tutorial. Thanks for watching.